Subscribe to Rocking Girls and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update.
Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. So today's video is very special to me. Today's video is an unboxing video and I'm super duper excited because guys, my first review kit is here. So yay! So today I'm gonna talk about the ASRM One Lipstick. They sent me this lipstick for the review. So at first I'm gonna unbox this one lipstick kit and then I'm gonna show you the product. So stay tuned. So it came in this kind of bubble wrapped box and now I'm gonna unbox it. Here is another box. Now I'm gonna open it. Oh my god. This box looks so classy. Oh my god. Here's the tag. Oh my god. Just look at this, guys. It's so pretty. And here is a very beautiful, very pretty necklace for me. I'm gonna wear this today. So now I'm gonna open this and there is a thank you card for me. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, what is it? Here's a butterfly. And finally, oh, there is two popping candies. And finally, here is the lipstick. Look at this. Oh my god, guys. It's so classy. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Guys, can you see? Oh my god. So guys, now I'll show you the swatches.
So this is the hand swatch of this lipstick.
Actually, they sent me the shade Rag Vanilla, and it is kind of pinkish red kind of color. Wow, it has vanilla smell on it. So this lipstick has this kind of magnetic closure, and it's pretty heavy on wet. If we talk about the formula, it has creamy matte formula. It has some glitter particles on it, but these glitters are not harsh on the lips. It is very comfortable to wear. Even you can't feel that glitter on the lips. And so this lipstick has some different textured surface. This surface is not smooth. I know camera can't capture, so I'll share some close-up pictures of this surface. So guys, overall I like this lipstick, and guys, if you wanna try some new international brand, then definitely go for it. I'll highly recommend this product. And guys, I'll share the purchase link and my discount coupon on the bottom part, so that you can purchase and you're gonna get 15% off. And guys, you can also check their social media pages and accounts. I'll share those links too on the description. So that's all for today. Hope you will like this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys, follow me on the Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.